Hello, hello. It is time for this week's Dollar Tree haul, and I have some fun things, but of course, I have projects we're going to be doing. So, of course, let's face it, spring is here. Finally, my bulbs are starting to bloom, and I thought it would be fun to make some fun seashell. I have a few projects we're going to do with the seashells, so I had to get those because I'll probably be doing these next week with the seashells, and I have 3 different projects to do with these. So I picked these up. Then they have this really pretty Easter, well, it's not really Easter, it's just a pretty spring ribbon. And I know some of you have asked how I make my bows, so I am going to be doing a video next week on how I make my bows the easiest way possible, and you guys can make them yourselves too. Then I got this, which is the stretch canvas, so you can hang them. But I want to try something different with it, and I got just one of them. But I did get their paint I'm going to show you in a minute, and I really, really like them. They have a nice feel to them. So if you see them at your store, you're going to have to get them. I got this. I only got 2, which I thought were really, really pretty. And I am going to put these together, and I am going to make a pillowcase out of this. And I'm going to keep my eyes open and maybe get like 2 or 3 different colors, and I'm going to put them in my chairs for my outdoor gazebo. So if you want to see how I'm going to make my pillow, I will show you, because they sell the nice slender pillows, and I'm going to make a pillowcase. If you've seen my channel, we did take some of these and we made little clutches and purses with them. So you'll have to click on the tutorials and check out all the different things that we did with these, the placemats. I got these, and yes, I'm doing something with them, so you'll have to stay tuned, because I'm going to use this for something with one of the projects that I just did. I got this because I thought they were really, really fun and cute, and you can hang this on a wall, you can hang different things with it, or you can use these in a different project and save this for something else. So these are photo hanger line. That's what they call it, a photo hanger line. And these are on those little pull tabs, at least at my store, on the end of the aisle. These are very, very, very popular. These are the melting bead kit. So what you do is you put all the little beads on this form here, and then you use an iron and you press it. So maybe we'll make one so you can see, because they do sell tubs of these where you can make really big designs. You can make handbags, you can make wallets. There's so many fun things, but I noticed that they were starting to sell these at Dollar Tree. I found this really cute headband, and I thought, hey, let's pick one up and we can make some ourselves out of t-shirts. So these were by the hairbrushes and the barrettes and things, but I thought we could easily copy this and make one ourselves. I got this cute little guy for my dad's garden. He's solar powered, and you have the on and off switch, and at night his little eyes light up. So I thought he was cute dishing for the yard this year. I was really surprised to see this. I'm sure that everyone's not going to be able to find these, but we are going to make a really cute wreath with the anchor. Look at how big it is, too. It's pretty big. So we made this wreath the other day. If you checked out my channel, we did make this wreath, and this is a Dollar Tree sign in the center. But if you wanted to, you could get a ring, and we are going to make, look at it, fits perfect in the Dollar Tree. This is, I believe, a 10-inch form. So look at how cute that is in there, and we're going to make a wreath with this anchor. So I thought that was really, really fun. These are the paints that I'm talking about. They're really nice. They go on kind of thick. You can do finger painting with them, and you know, different tile painting if you wanted to make flowers or things like that. And these are hanging, like my store has a craft section, and then if you turn around, there's like poster board and paintbrushes. That's where I found these. So these are really nice, especially for the kids with the summer coming. Then I got these little tea light candles, because we are going to do something with these, but these are really nice for the summertime. You can take a little bit of citronella oil on a little dropper, and you can put these on here before you light it, and you can put these outside. Perfect for the summer to keep away the mosquitoes. This is what I use for the placemats and different things. We've used this in a few projects and it works really, really well. This is what I'm going to use for my pillowcase, and I'll show you all how I'm going to do mine. I got these because I have an idea for a project. I just got to put it together in my mind and figure out how I'm going to do it. But they have these in the sock section, and with Easter coming, I thought these were a cute color, and I wanted to make something with these. So let's see if I can still come up with something. They have these, which I'm surprised, and I don't know if everybody's going to be able to find them. These are the color-changing bottle lights. You stick these inside a bottle, and they light up, and they run on a battery. So I got a few of these. I thought that these were really, really fun. Perfect for summer. And last but not least, I picked up another one of these because we're going to be doing a lot of different projects where we're going to be clipping and hanging and doing all kinds of different things. So I got a package of these, and I wanted to try that out. So you'll have to stay tuned because I am going to be doing the Dollar Tree haul giveaway. I have several people that have been sharing the videos, but the whole concept of the giveaway is going to be where the heading will say, this is a Dollar Tree haul giveaway. So what's going to happen is I will show you what's in the haul, and then you will have to subscribe and then comment shared on that particular video. And if you're on Facebook, it's the same thing. You would have to comment, share it, actually share it, because we're going to make sure everybody's playing fairly, and whoever wins. So if I do a Dollar Tree haul on Saturday, the following Saturday, the winner will be announced. But I have so many things from the Dollar Tree hauls, but not only am I going to be giving away Dollar Tree hauls, we have some other fun things that we're going to be giving away as well. So you'll have to stay tuned and participate, because it's going to be a lot of fun. I have a whole craft box that's going to be a giveaway really, really soon. With the summer just starting to approach now, I'm able to get in and unpack a lot of things, because while I was in treatment, I really wasn't doing much of anything, and everything was packed and stored away. But I want to say thank you to all of you, and I thought it would be a fun way just for all of you to get involved. But I have a really, really, really fun idea, and I'm hoping that I can get it started by the end of April, and I'm hoping that you guys will all participate. It's going to be fun, 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 and free to all of you. So it is going to be a fun, free gift that I'm going to start shipping out. So you will have to stay tuned for all the fun things coming up. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for all your support and love with me coming back. And I am super duper excited to be here, and especially when it gets warm enough where we can start crafting outdoors again. I know that the crazy birds drove some people crazy, but there's nothing like nature and having a little fun with some crafting out there. So with no further ado, that is it for this Dollar Tree haul, and I will see you all again really, really soon. Just make sure you keep your eyes up for the title that says Dollar Tree haul giveaway, and that is the one that you're going to want to share, share, share. And if you're on Facebook and YouTube, you can share it double more, and this way you might have a better chance of winning as well. So it'll be shipped to you for free as well, and you'll have a bag of goodies from my Dollar Tree haul. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching. Bye now.